Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Skill Double. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use index and match function. This function comes handy, especially when VLOOKUP does not work based on the data. Like for example, here in this use case scenario, I'm going to try to use the employee ID to look up the data that I require, and I want to pull it from here. So this is what the scenario is, wherein based on selecting the employee ID, I want the details like region, rep names, total sales. Usually, if the lookup value column comes here in between of a table, VLOOKUP will not work properly. So in those scenarios, this index and match function helps a lot, and we are going to see the use of it. And please do like my video, subscribe so that my channel also grow. The target for this year is to complete 100 subscribers as soon as possible, so your love and support will help me to grow my channel. So let's dive into this explanation video. So as I said, we have this employee ID selection cell that I've created, wherein I can, from the drop down, I can select the employee ID, or you can directly enter the employee ID by just typing it like 12354. Here I have created a data validation based on which I can select it from the drop down list. What we are going to do is we are going to use the formula. I have mentioned this formula in such a way that you will be able to easily understand what needs to be updated in the formula. All right. So the formula is like this: index, output column, match, lookup value column 0. So what will happen is index, output column. Output column is in what you need. Like here, for the example, if I talk about this region is something what I require here based on the employee ID selected, right? So if I'm selecting 12354 as the employee ID, so you can see 12354 is here, right? And 12354, after selecting it, I need the region as east, correct, against it. So that is what is index output column. So if you give a column reference, you have to give the reference as this, from here B6 till B25 if you want the region, right? And we have to tell Excel that you have to match with the employee ID. So the employee ID lookup value would be 12354, right? And the column, the lookup value column would be the entire column from D6 till D25. And you're going to put comma, and 0 means exact match. And I will always go for an exact match, nothing less than that, because at times Excel will give you incorrect output if you do not go for an exact match. So Excel will try to exactly match the lookup value, that is the employee ID. So now let's use this particular formula and get the values here. So as and when I select an employee ID, it will provide me with the details that I need in these boxes or in these cells, right? So let me put the, so copy the entire formula like this, paste it here, start the formula with equal to. Now it's giving me error, but changed these to the actual values. So index, output column. So what is the output column? If I want region, then the output column would be this region column from top to bottom like this, right? And match lookup value. What would be the lookup value? It would be employee ID. So I will refer this cell that is L5, and what would be the lookup value column? So the lookup value column would be this, where the lookup values, that is why I mentioned lookup value column, and then comma, match type would be 0 exact match. All right. So for you, I will show you what all are the options here. See, less than, 0 exact match, 1 greater than. So we'll go for exact match and then close the bracket. See, now 12354 is the employee ID and East is the region. So we got the correct output here, that is region is East based on the employee ID. Now similarly, I can copy this entire formula, I can paste it, I will make my uh, work easy by just copy pasting it and changing the values as per the output that I need. Now the rep name is in which column? It's in C column, right? So that's the reason it's giving an error. Is like even the lookup value is like it's taking L6, but we need L5. I will change this first, right? And then showing east because the column has to be from C. It will be C column like this, and here we go. Now one more thing I need to make sure is even the lookup column is taken correctly. It should come from D6 till D25 tab. So is it Jones 12354? Yes, it's Jones. It's giving the outputs correctly. Now I will paste this formula, and here you can see it's again giving me an error because it has taken L6. It will be L5. I need total sales. I will change the cell reference from H6 till H25, and I also need to change the lookup value cell reference. Lookup value cell reference will be from D6 till D25, and then click on tab. Oh, here we are. So we have used index and match formula with the help of which we are able to extract the details based on the employee ID selected, like the region, rep name, and total sales. Now, as and when I select or enter the employee ID, I can also enter the employee ID. You will see that it shows the right region name, rep name, and total sales of that particular rep. So in order to validate, let's see 12355. So we have 12355 here. The region is central, rep name is Morgan, and total sales is 449. All right. So I hope based on this particular video tutorial, you were able to understand how you can use index and match functions, especially if VLOOKUP does not work. I usually prefer VLOOKUP, but at times if it doesn't work, or if you want to create a simple kind of a data extraction that you can easily show in a meeting or something like that, you can create something in this manner. So I hope this video helped you to learn something new in Excel. If yes, then please click on that like button and subscribe my channel. Share my videos with your friends and family. See you soon guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.